Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. For today's tutorial video, I will be showing you how you can fix when games are not opening on Windows 11. First thing to do is to right-click on the Windows logo or the Start logo on your computer, which is located below, and then select Run. Now type Re-edit on the search bar and then press OK. Select Yes on the pop-up window. Then it will now open the registry editor. It will show here Files. Simply expand this file and then look for the file name .exe and click on it. On the side, right-click on the default file and choose Modify. Now here, make sure that the value data is named exe file or exe file. Now click on OK. Now go back and look for the file name exe file or exe file. Then open it. Now on the side, right click on the default file. Then select Modify. In here, change the value data to Application. Go back to the exe file, then expand it. Under it, expand the file again, which is named Shell. And it will show you the folder name Open. Open it. Now on this side, right-click on Default and select Modify. Here, make sure that the value data is empty. If it has a data, simply remove it. After that, restart your computer and that should fix the problem. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.